We just got to the beach. There wasn't actually like any traffic, but it is pouring. So the whole forecast for this week is literally thunderstorms. Like not even like drizzle or like rain, like legit thunderstorms all week. So this will be interesting. There'll probably be a lot of alcohol and card games this week, but we'll see. I just stopped at McDonald's because I needed some food. I haven't eaten anything literally all day, and it was like the only place that wasn't super packed, and I needed to pee so bad, and it was like the only place that had a bathroom. We stopped at Wawa, but it was like too packed and there was no bathroom, so we're waiting to check in. Check-in's at 2. It's about 1:34, so we're kind of just like killing some time. My mom is walking the dog right now. We didn't bring Stella. Stella's staying with Aunt's parents this week, so we brought my mom's dog because it's just like a little teeny, like 7-pound cutie pie, so we can handle that in a little house. So we're gonna see how this goes, and I don't know how exciting this is gonna be, but I will definitely vlog this week. Hopefully we get beach time. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna eat because I'm starving, and I will catch you guys in the next clip. Where'd she go? What? My mom went to go get the keys, so I'm kind of just, we found a really good parking spot like right out front of the house, so I'm just kind of chilling in the car waiting. She walked over to get the keys, and my stepdad's on his way down. Anthony's not coming until tomorrow because he has 2 baseball games if they don't get rained out. My stepbrother and his girlfriend are coming down tonight, and my brother isn't coming down until tomorrow night as well. So there'll be a good group of us, but everybody's just kind of coming down at different times. This rain is really just like putting a damper on things. So this is the house that we have for the week. So we actually just opened the windows because it smells like cigarettes in here for some reason, which we are not okay with. So we opened up the windows to kind of get some air in. We have a cute little living room, and then a nice big flat screen. And then in here, this will be our room. So me and Aunt were thinking about putting the beds together, but we'll see how that works with like the nightstand and everything. What the heck is that over there? What is that? And then we have the dining room. I think they just like redid it. It actually looks like a lot better than I remembered. And then this will be our bathroom. And then this is my mom and Ben's room. And then this is their bathroom that they have, which is super nice. They have this like huge jacuzzi tub. Like another guest bedroom. I told my mom, I said, we're all grown adults here. We need to get a place that doesn't have bunk beds and twin beds everywhere. And then the kitchen, everything's super clean, which is nice. Like the whole place is completely just like clean. It's great. And then this is like kind of like a little mud room. We have laundry that we can do in here, and then we have a little back porch, which is nice for, you know, when it's not raining. So it's cute. We definitely have a really good space for the week, and I hope the weather clears up so we can actually enjoy it. Good afternoon. Today we actually got some beach time. That's why I'm taking so long to get on here and let you guys know and update you. So we got beach time, and it was like really weird. It was like on and off, raining, clouding, not raining, but it was like, we thought it was gonna start raining. It was like cloudy and stuff. We thought it was gonna start, but it didn't. It wound up being like a really nice day. It's about, I think it's like 4 o'clock now. So we were able to get like a whole day at the beach, which was really nice. I actually got like pretty burnt. I didn't put any sunscreen on because I really didn't think I was gonna even get like any color at all. But of course, when it's overcast, I should have known you get like the most color. So it wound up being a nice day. Hopefully it continues to be nice this week. We're about to have dinner in a little bit, and Aunt's on his way down. My brother's on his way down, and we don't know what we're gonna do tonight. We're either gonna like hang in or maybe go out, or I really want to hit the surf shop, so we shall wait and see. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next clip. So today is day 3 or 2? 2. So we went to the beach for a little bit in the morning, but it wound up raining, so we got off the beach pretty early. And then we just got back from urgent care. This one has an ear infection. He just got drops, that's why he's laying like this. He was complaining that I wanted to bring him. But look at that, now he's all getting fixed. He's got some medicine in him, right?
Yeah.
So we're having spaghetti dinner soon. If it's not raining, maybe we'll do the boardwalk tonight. Yeah?
I can't hear you.
Probably do the boardwalk tonight. And then I had a migraine this morning, so it took me a while to get onto the beach and function because it kept coming back and going away and coming back. So we had pretty much a lazy day today. A lot of laying on the couch and naps. Oh wait, I don't even know if I can get up there. I'm not getting up there, never mind. hope you enjoyed my vlog of vacation. We go to Ocean City, New Jersey, and it was definitely a very nice, relaxing week. We came home Friday night, like late Friday. Normally we stay Saturday to Saturday, but we wanted to avoid some of the traffic Saturday morning, so we left Friday night, and it was just really nice, relaxing time. We actually got more beach time than we thought, considering the forecast was showing thunderstorms all week. So we actually only got like 1.5 days of no beach time. So other than that, we got a lot more beach time than we thought. So if you enjoyed this vlog and you want to see more vlogs, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on my wonderful life. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.